Here I have LGX command. Let me show you how to use the battery saver mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's unlock the phone, find and select the settings, and here let's choose general. Afterwards, from the following list, let's choose battery and power saving. Here we've got the statistics about your battery. You can use the battery usage and check what used the most of your battery. You may also go back and use the battery percentage on the status bar, but what's more important, you can choose the battery saver right here. You can enable this mode, and you may also set up this battery saver. So you can choose some restricted apps right here. You can turn on battery saver, for example, when you have the 5% of the battery or 15% of the battery. You may also use the game optimizer, so you can adjust video quality in games to save the battery. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.